Hey, this is Hacktical, and today we are testing out a Kobalt SDS Hammer Drill. We're going to test it against the Chisel bit, a pointed bit, and the good old handy drill, just to see how quickly it can get through a big old piece of concrete. Let's do it. Not really doing much. Try over here by the edge. Alright, so we switched over to this chisel bit, and it did a little bit better. I was able to knock off this area of it, but it's still not really breaking it up in the center of it like a true jackhammer would be. I mean, this is a 24-volt tool. Even with all the hammering on it, we still got full battery on this thing, so that's pretty cool. But we're going to try a different strategy. Try drilling into it, putting some stress marks in it, maybe even draw a line with this chisel to give it a line to break on, and then take a hammer to it and see if we can just break it up from there. Now, obviously with the drill, you're going to have to change it to drill and hammer mode. It does have drill only mode, but this we want it to drill and hammer since it's going into concrete. Cut through that thing like butter. All right, let's drill a couple more holes. All right, chunking it out, piecemeal. All right, so in conclusion, trying to break up this big piece of concrete using this SDS Kobalt 24-volt hammer drill, we did find that it is really good at drilling holes and punching deep holes in this concrete. 3/8 bit went into this 8 inches, and it took a couple seconds flat. Very easy, and that's even with these Chinese bits that we got from eBay for 20 bucks. I mean, you know they're not quality, not even a brand name on them, but they still did the job just fine. However, for the chisel part of it, we were not able to really break into it like we had hoped. It's definitely not a jackhammer, so I wouldn't expect it out of that. Probably do good at cutting up tile or breaking that up, but definitely for the SDS hammer drill, it clearly outperforms the other half-inch hammer drills that I've tried, but those are all like DeWalt Kobalt versions that are just the regular half-inch drills. They're not the SDS versions. But this one was way faster than that, and even doing probably 8-inch holes inside this, as well as a whole lot of chiseling and hammering. Only used 1 bar of battery, so it seems to be good on the battery aspect too. So overall, for this review of trying to punch holes in concrete, it did great. It did not necessarily break it up like a jackhammer would, but that's what you get.